So earlier I spoke to Aziz Isa Elkun, a London-based Uyghur academic and activist, and I started by asking for his reaction to the Chinese ambassador who said there was no Uyghur repression in China.
That's not true. This is the nature of Chinese embassy or ambassador keep lying about everything, even though there's a whole world approved, there's a genocide taking place right now.
It's very, very difficult for us to get information out of the Uyghur region. Can you tell us what you know the Uyghurs are going through? I mean, I know your mother is still there, and tell us about her.
Yes, it's a very tragic story. And whenever I think my people, the Uyghurs, and especially about my mother, and I could not bear it. My mother now 78 years old, widowed. My father died in 2017. I found my father's tomb on Google Earth, and it was destroyed by the Chinese regime. And that was the reality of my family situation now.
Is it true that the Chinese authorities managed to get your mother to denounce you?
Yes, after I gave interview to CNN last year, and yes, my mother brought in front of the TV, which is from Beijing to my home, probably about 4,000 kilometers away.
If you had the chance to speak directly to the Foreign Secretary, for example, what do you want the British to do about the Uyghur crisis?
I would like to ask British government has a responsibility because British government is a member state of the United Nations Security Council. This is a human tragedy. We can call this a genocide taking place now. So British government must do save the innocent life. This is not something comes up today or yesterday. So Uyghur problem must be solved. Uyghur problem is about the world problem. We are part of the world community. There's no such a thing, Chinese internal affair. Uyghurs are part of human being, part of this world. The world must take responsibility to save Uyghurs' life.